In the name of Allah, the most merciful, in the most kind, I begin. Respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friend, my name is Tawhid Muhammad Amin. My friend and my family call me Tawhid. I am 9 years old. I live in Tangail. I study in class 3. I am a student of Madrasatul Hira Tangail. My father name is Bahadur. My mother name is Roxana. My favorite color is black. My favorite subject English. I also like English and math. I live reading the Quran and learning good things. I try to be a good Muslim every day. When I grow up, I want to be a Hafiz and a good Islamic scholar. I want to help people and make Bangladesh a beautiful country. Please remember me in your dua. Thank you so much. Assalam.